I'm Robert Grieg-Gran. I'm one of the co-founders of Mindful Chef, which is a healthy food delivery company. We deliver all the ingredients that you need to make healthy evening meals at home, and we also have a range of chef-prepared frozen meals. One bit of tech that's really kind of helped us scale, particularly this year, has been our in-house tech platform that really looks after our sort of order management. Recipe boxes are really complex things to bring together. They require lots and lots of different fresh ingredients being repacked so the customer gets everything that they need in a real short space of time. Nothing really exists out there that works for us, so we ended up kind of building it ourselves. It's been an iterative process over the last 5 years. We like to trial things very quickly, put them out to our customers, see whether they like them or not, and if they do like them, then we learn what they like, we learn what they don't like, and we change and iterate really fast and use that feedback loop to improve the product and the service. Technology really helps with that because it brings the feedback loop together faster with better data, and more accurate data capture is really key to be able to allow your teams and empower your teams to make decisions really quickly. We've moved from doing something like 12,000 deliveries a week up to sort of 35,000. And with that, we've onboarded lots of staff, many of whom we've never met in person. So in terms of how technology's impacted the business, one, we've had to work out how to work more efficiently as a larger organization. And two, we've got to learn how to work as a team and how to get to know new members of staff. Making sure that the teams had that data to empower them to make the quick decisions was really of the most critical importance. This was about the need for everyone working, from their bedrooms, from their spare rooms, giving them the right tools and the right data to quickly analyze what was working and then turn that into live decisions to be, enacted as soon as possible.